This $40,000 Toyota camper van is kinda ridiculous. What if I told you this tiny Toyota camper van has a king-size bed, full kitchen, shower room, air conditioner, solar power system, and enough space for 4 people, while still fitting inside a normal parking space? Well, this is the JP Star Treasure One, one of the smartest compact camper vans coming out of Japan right now. Built on the reliable Toyota TownAce chassis, this micro RV combines practical design, off-grid capability, and surprisingly premium features into one incredibly compact package. And honestly, for around $40,000, this thing feels kinda ridiculous. Today, we're taking a full look at the exterior design, interior comfort, bathroom setup, technology, driving experience, and everything that makes the Treasure One such an impressive little camper. Exterior design. The exterior design of the JP Star Treasure One is simple, modern, and extremely practical. Unlike huge motorhomes that feel stressful to drive, this camper stays compact enough to fit inside standard parking spaces, making it much easier to use for everyday travel. The cab-over design helps maximize interior sleeping space while keeping the body size manageable. And honestly, the proportions look surprisingly clean and premium for a compact RV. One of the best exterior features is the electric side awning system. With one button press, the awning extends outward and creates a comfortable outdoor camping setup. There's also an outdoor hot water shower, external power outlet, automatic electric entry step, and a rear storage compartment for camping gear. The panoramic windows give the camper a brighter and more premium appearance while improving airflow and natural light inside the cabin. Overall, the Treasure One feels less like a traditional RV and more like a smart, compact adventure vehicle designed for real travel freedom. Interior and living space. Step inside the Treasure One, and the first thing you notice is how surprisingly spacious it feels. The high ceiling design and large panoramic windows make the cabin feel bright, open, and comfortable despite the compact size, making the camper more practical for overnight camping. At night, the LED ambient lighting completely changes the atmosphere inside, giving the cabin a cozy and modern feel. The main lounge area works as both a dining and relaxation space during the day, but within seconds, it transforms into a sleeping area using the convertible sofa bed system. And honestly, the layout is extremely smart. You get overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, under-seat storage, and practical shelving throughout the interior without making the space feel cluttered. For such a compact camper, the living experience is seriously impressive. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen setup inside the Treasure One is compact but fully functional. You get a deep stainless steel sink, IH induction cooktop, microwave, ventilation system, and an 85-liter refrigerator with freezer. And thanks to the powerful 400 amp-hour lithium battery system and 3,000-watt inverter, these appliances can actually run properly during off-grid camping. The sleeping setup is equally impressive. The main seating area converts into a large king-size bed, while the upper cabin provides an additional capsule-style sleeping space with privacy curtains and charging ports. And yes, this tiny camper actually includes a real bathroom. Inside, you get a shower system, mirror, ventilation fan, towel rack, and optional toilet setup. Honestly, fitting a proper bathroom into a camper this small is seriously impressive engineering. Performance and driving experience. Underneath the camper body sits the reliable Toyota TownAce chassis, which is known for durability and fuel efficiency. The driving experience focuses more on comfort and practicality rather than speed, but honestly, that's exactly what this camper needs. Because of its compact dimensions, city driving, parking, and mountain roads feel dramatically easier compared to large RVs. Visibility is excellent, maneuvering feels simple, and overall, the camper feels approachable, even for first-time RV owners. This is the kind of vehicle that makes road trips feel relaxing instead of stressful. Technology and smart features. For such a compact camper,
the technology package is surprisingly advanced. The Treasure One comes with a massive 400 amp-hour lithium battery system, 3,000-watt pure sine wave inverter, and a 400-watt roof-mounted solar charging setup for off-grid living. There's also a built-in 12-volt air conditioner and a gasoline-powered FF heater for both hot and cold weather camping. USB ports, smart lighting systems, ventilation controls, and power outlets are integrated throughout the cabin. And honestly, the best part is that all the technology feels practical instead of gimmicky.
Pros and cons. The biggest advantage of the JP Star Treasure One is easily the balance between compact size and full RV functionality. You get a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping space for 4 people, air conditioning, solar power, and off-grid capability inside a very manageable vehicle size. Toyota reliability is another huge plus. However, interior space can still feel tight for long-term family travel, and storage capacity obviously can't match larger motorhomes. Performance is also focused more on efficiency than power. But honestly, consider the JP Star Treasure One proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy real camper living. This tiny Japanese RV combines smart engineering, practical luxury, and real off-grid capability into one incredibly compact package. And honestly, that's what makes it so impressive. For couples, solo travelers, weekend explorers, or anyone wanting a manageable camper experience without sacrificing comfort, the Treasure One makes a seriously strong case for itself. But now we want to hear from you. Would you actually travel in a camper this compact? Or would you still choose a larger traditional RV instead? Let us know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more campervan and luxury RV reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.